दाबोळे विमानतळार पयले फावट रोख रक्कम धरल्या। CISFन 26 लाख रुपया घेवन आयिल्ल्या सावंतवाडीच्या एका मनशाक निकतोच धरलो। गोयच्या वेंचणुके खातीर हो पैसो आशिल्लो काय कितें हाचे आयकर अधिकारी चौकशी करतात। इतले मजगती दक्षिण गोयचो वेंचणूक अधिकारी संदीप जाकीसाच्या जाग्यार दौलत हवालदाराची नेमणूक केल्या। त्या शिवाय 300 पुलिसांच्यो बदल्यो केल्यात।
Because that comes under Pakistan Bangalore.
But you are concerned with only 26
Yes,
lakhs.
only 26 lakhs. K Shivanna.
KC Shivanna.
Where is this man from?
From Southwadi.
He was going coming into Goa.
He was coming to Goa Assembly.
Intended for?
This will be probed by income tax authorities.
Not by you.
No. No, they will be probing whether it is election related or otherwise. Commission has recently, today we have received a intimation from the Commission asking for change of DEO South.
Why?
Yes. And yes. And Mr. Havaldar shall be posted as DEO South. Yes, Daulat Havaldar.
And where this Mr. Jakis will go? At DMA?
Yes.
Why? Why is he changed?
There was the apprehension that he was OSD to CM. Superintendent Police has already been transferred. Mr. Vamantari has been replaced by Mr. Singh.
And today?
Yes.
Mr. Vijay Singh.
Vijay Singh.
Traffic
I do. We have already informed.
How many?
Mr. Sadip PSIs, PIs are level, PSIs, ESIs, and HCs. 8 constables. 60 plus 30 plus around around 300 is clear. Yes, it has been clear. Now what is pending is constables, lady constables and lady aid constables. 71 clubs have been given that kits, and out of those 71 clubs, only 2 clubs are in the constituency of Sri Narvekar. Yes, Aldana constituency. Moreover, out of ordinary 30 clubs, only 9 clubs are within Aldana constituency. From among 130 clubs, only 9 clubs are in Aldana constituency.
Total 11.
No, total 9. Out of 9, only 2 have been given kits. 7 are yet to be given.
So it is violation if
Total.
it is influencing state of Goa?
Huh?
It is violation if it is influencing state of Goa?
Since the matter is before the commission, I think it is premature to make any statement.
उमेदवारी अर्ज घालपाचो आंकडो ल्हव वाडटा। मंगळारा अर्जुन साळगांवकारान सावड्डेच्यान अपक्ष म्हणून अर्ज घालो। सध्या थंयचो आमदार ताचो बापूय अनिल साळगांवकार आसा। दुसऱ्या वटयां म्हापश्या भाजपाच्या फ्रांसिस डिसोजानूय मंगळारा उमेदवारी अर्ज भरलो। काँग्रेस भाजपाचे सगळे उमेदवार जाहीर जाले उपरांतूच तांचे आनी हेर राष्ट्रीय पक्षांचे तशेंच अपक्ष उमेदवार एक करून अर्ज घालपाक लागतले।
हांवें फॉर्म भरला। म्हाका म्हापश्यांक पयलो उमेदवार हांव फॉर्म भरपाक भारतीय जनता पार्टी मार्फत हांवें फॉर्म भरला। सपोर्टाच्या बाबतीन सारकें उलोवपाचें ना म्हणटा पळय तें जबरदस्त सपोर्ट। म्हणजे लोक घर पासून येवन म्हाका सांगता तूं भियेनाका, तूं भायर सरपाची गरज ना, आमी हात दिवं वांगडा, हे भशेन लोक उलयता। आनी म्हाका लोकांचेर म्हाज्या मतदाराचेर विश्वास आसा, कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना।
Okay, I've filled in my form today and I intend to stand as a candidate or as aspirant from Savade constituency as an independent.
Last time तुमचो father MLA आशिल्लो.
That's
So
right.
आता तुम्ही
Ata he due to health constraints he will not be standing. So to continue his good work, I
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव।